Matrix reports are very similar to summary reports, but allow you to group and summarize data by both rows and columns. They can be used as a source report for dashboard components. Let's go and build one. Let's start with a clean report on the position object. Change the report format to matrix report. We can now see two drop zones. We can group the records by rows as well as columns. Let me drag the functional area into the drop zone and also the job level. We can see how the positions are grouped by functional area and subgrouped by job level. We can also group records by rows. Let me drag the status and driver required into the drop zone. I can view the positions grouped by status and job levels. For people who are interested in viewing sliced and diced data, a matrix report can be quite helpful. You can also build charts on a matrix report. Join reports let you view different types of information in a single report. It lets you create multiple report blocks that provide different views of your data. For example, we want to see a side-by-side comparison of how many positions were closed in the last month by one recruiter and compare that with another. I'll try to create a new report. Let me select the format of a join report. The appearance has changed. The report now displays like a block. In a join report, each block represents a separate view of your data. Let me add filters to this block to show all positions that are closed filled in the month of December and that are owned by recruiter San. Let's create a second block. This block will contain positions that are owned by another recruiter. To create a new block, we drag a field to an empty area beside the first block. You will notice the second set of filters. Now, drag additional fields to the second block. Let's filter the second block to show only positions that are closed filled in the month of December and that are owned by recruiter Val. Right now, the report shows two views of the position data. Common fields that are available for grouping are visible on the left pane. Now, let's group records by function area. Finally, we'll add titles to the block to clarify what they're showing. Now, let's run a report to see the summary information only. Click Hide Details. Now the report looks like a scorecard for each recruiter. Join reports let you view different types of information in a single report. It lets you create multiple report blocks that provide different views of your data. In the next lecture, let's talk about custom report types.